everyone, good afternoon. Welcome to Aakash BYJU'S NEET channel. I'm your teacher Ankita and I welcome you all in today's class. Good afternoon everyone, how are you feeling? And I hope that all of you have joined the MENTI. Good afternoon, good afternoon. How's the Josh everyone? सब अच्छे से पढ़ के आए हैं? Really sorry for the delay. Yes. Great everyone. Awesome. Good afternoon. Namaste. Welcome to the class everyone. Hello Tirthraj. Hello Ashwini. Abhinay, Harshita, Devanshi. Then we have Piyush. Everyone quickly join the MENTI. Good evening. Good afternoon Pampa. I'm good Ashwini. Thank you for asking bache. How are you? Yes, very good. I hope कि सबने MENTI quiz join कर ले. You need to go on www.menti.com. Then you have to use the code 18041450. ये we have the link and the code pinned in the message also. So आपको chat में ऊपर दिख जाएगा Aakash NEET से. You have that. Hey students, go to the menti.com and then we have shared the code also. Hello Vardhan. Good afternoon. चलिए. You have joined, right? So now I'm moving ahead. We have total of 40 questions in today's class, right? 10 questions from each chapter and then last but 10 questions random hai. Random in the sense इन्हीं 3 chapters हैं, but there's no sequence over there. So yeah, it will be a fun challenge for all of us. Yes, chaliye. Everyone, now it's time for you to write your name and you can join. You need to go on www.menti.com. Use the code 18071450. So in today's class, we have 3 very important chapters. We have locomotion and movement. We have neural control and coordination. We have chemical coordination and integration. Yes. Ashwini will have that. Last week में सिर्फ quizzes ही रहेंगे. Right? Last week we'll have the quizzes only. चलिए. Awesome, everyone. Okay, very good, everyone. Quickly join. Please make sure you hit the like button for the video. Everyone, please make sure you hit the like button for the video. Okay, so let's get started, everyone. All the best to all of you. हम पहला question देखेंगे. We have the first 10 questions. The first 10 questions वो कहाँ से? Locomotion and movement वाले chapter से हैं. So let's take a look over here. चलिए. Here everyone to the first question and all the best. We have 45 seconds. You have to pick the correct answer and the faster you vote, the more points you will get. Here we have to match the list 1 and list 2. Here we have. In list 1 we have the types of joint and in list 2 we have the found between. कहाँ पे ये joints हमें मिल रहे हैं? So पहला आ गया cartilaginous joint, फिर आ गया ball and socket joint, फिर है fibrous joint and then we have saddle joint. कहाँ पे मिल रहा है? Between the skull, between the flat skull bones, between the adjacent vertebrae in the vertebral column, between the carpal and the metacarpal of the thumb, and between the humerus and the pectoral girdle. Yes. Okay. Good afternoon Lavanya, good afternoon Ganesh, welcome to the class. Very good, 20 of you have voted for the correct answer and the correct answer over here is option number 1. Easy, right? Cartilaginous joint. हाँ, अगर fibrous match कर दिया, fibrous क्या था? It's a fixed joint, right? Fibrous was the fixed joint. तो अगर ये match हो गया हमारा between the flat skull bone, we can easily find the answer. Right? Then we have the cartilaginous joint. Cartilaginous joint कहाँ पे है? Between the adjacent vertebrae and vertebral column. Saddle joint between the carpal and over here we have ball and socket joint. Very good everyone. चलिए. Let's move to the next question. Question number 2 on your screen. Here we have the question number 2. Yes, Lavanya, you're right on time, beta. Not late, right on time. Which of the following statement are correct regarding the skeletal muscle? So we have 4 statements. We have to find the correct statement. Muscle bundle are held together by the collagenous connective tissue layer called as fascicle. Sarcoplasmic reticulum of the muscle fiber is a storehouse of the calcium ion. Striated appearance of the skeletal muscle fiber is due to the distribution of pattern of actin and myosin protein. M line is considered as a functional unit of the contraction called as sarcomere. So we have to choose the correct statement. Right, which of these following statements are correct? That's what the question is, and we have to find that. Okay, very good, very good. Option number A is the correct answer, which is B and C. B is correct. Sacroplasmic reticulum is a muscle fiber which is storehouse of the calcium, which is absolutely correct. Striated appearance, right, of the skeletal muscle is due to the distribution of pattern of actin and myosin protein. This is also correct. Now, what is wrong in the A and D? Muscle bundle are held together by the collagen connective tissue called as the fascicle. Yes or no? Yes, I know. It is not the fascicle, it's the fascia, right? We'll say that. Clear, everyone? And Z-line. Z-line is considered as a functional unit of the contraction. Z-line contract ho rahi hai, right? M-line is in the center. So that's a correct answer over here. Everyone, I hope that you got the answer. Chaliye, very good, very good. Okay. Let's move ahead to the question number 3. Question number 3, everyone. Here we have question number 3 on our screen. We have to pick the correct statement about the muscular tissue. We have smooth muscles are multinucleated and involuntary. Skeletal muscle fiber are uninucleated and found in the parallel bundles. Intercalary disc allow the cardiac muscle cells to contract as a unit, and the walls of the blood vessels are made up of the columnar epithelium. We have to find the correct answer. Yes, we have to find the correct answer, everyone. Yes, very good, very good. Okay, 5 of you got actually confused with the option number A, but the correct answer over here is option number C. Right, option number C is the correct answer. We know that smooth muscles are not multinucleated, they are uninucleated, right? So this is incorrect, it is supposed to be uninucleated. Then skeletal muscles are uninucleated? No, they are multinucleated, right? Then the walls of the blood vessels are made up of the columnar epithelium? No, the answer will be simple squamous, right? So this is the correct answer. The intercalated discs that are present in the cardiac muscle cells actually allow them to contract as a unit. Chaliye, very good. Total we have 40 questions. Total we have 40 questions. So we are there in question number 4, everyone. Let's move ahead to the next question. Here we have next question, everyone, on your screen. We have to pick the correct answer. According to the sliding filament theory, the actin filament slide away from A band, resulting in shortening of the sarcomere. Actin and myosin filaments slide over each other to increase the length of the sarcomere. Length of A band does not change, and I band increase in the length. We have to pick the correct answer. Right? We have to pick the correct answer. It's an easy question, everyone. Okay. So 6 and 8 of you actually got confused with the other option, and 13 of you have voted for the correct option. The correct answer is option number C. See, the length of the A band does not change. Yet we know, right? The length of the A band remain the same. अब अगर हम बात करें, right? See over here. यहाँ पे अगर we have the actin, right? Here we have the myosin, actin and myosin. Actin, right? Over here I'll make the actin altogether. ऐसा ही है ना? So these are the, ऐसे zigzag में we have the Z line. उससे पहले these two are making the bonds, right? This is the A band because there are two bands over here, right? Yes, and I band. Clear? Right, and of course in center we have the M line and H zone altogether. So I band increase in size? No, that decreases, right? It's coming close, so it is decreasing. Sorry, not this. This will be the I band. Yeah, right. This is decreasing. Actin and myosin filaments slide over each other to increase, nahi to decrease आएगा, है ना? To decrease the length of the sarcomere. Total length of the sarcomere is getting decreased. The actin filament slide away from A band, resulting basically it does not slide away, it slide towards, right? So that the shortening of the sarcomere can happen. Everyone, I hope this is clear. All of you, right? I hope that it's clear. Chaliye. Let's move to the question number 5, everyone. Question number 5 on the screen. Here we go. Okay, pick the correct option. Yes. Okay. Gout is a type of disorder which leads to. Easy question, everyone. All of you should pick the correct answer. We're talking about the gout. Ha. Total half. देखो, we have 2 half of I band and 1 A band. Yes, everyone, pick the correct answer. It's a very easy question, I would say. Right? Gout, will remember one thing. Very, very evident that we have over here. Okay, hi Anita. Devanshi, okay. Okay, Devanshi. Very good. 21 of you have voted for the correct answer, and the correct answer over here is the presence, right? The accumulation of the uric acid. Option number B is the correct answer. Gout disease में क्या होता है? Of course, right? We'll see the accumulation of the uric acid, and that will be causing the inflammation of the joints. Easy peasy. अच्छा, weakening of the bones due to the calcium. अच्छा, ये नहीं होता है. Weakening of the bones due to the, all of these are not. चलिए, that's very straightforward, easy question. Everyone, now we'll be taking a look at the leaderboard. Hello Naruto, welcome to the class. Here we have the leaderboard, everyone. So Tirthraj is there. Let's see who's the fastest. Okay, the fastest is Astha. Then we have Tirthraj. Then we have Ashwini, NEET aspirant. Abhinaya. Then we have Piyush, Agent X9, Ganesh, Random, and Divyarani. Congratulations to all of you. Right, 5 questions are done. We have 5 more questions from the locomotion and the movement. Let's quickly get ahead, everyone. Then we'll take a break after some time. Let's see question number 6, everyone, on your screen. I know that your Josh is really very high and all of you are prepared, fully geared up. We have accession and reason over here, everyone. Accession statement says that osteoporosis is a characteristics characterized by the decrease bone mass and increase in the chance of fracture. Reason for this is that the common cause of the osteoporosis is increased level of estrogen. Now, this is a very, very easy question. See, all the disease wala questions are super easy, right? All the disease wala question are really very easy. Okay, everyone, very good, very good. And the correct answer over here is option number C. You are absolutely correct. See, we have both the statement. Statement 1 is absolutely correct. In osteoporosis, what happens? We will see that there's a decrease in the bone mass and the individual might have the higher chances of getting the fractures. That is absolutely correct. Now, what is the main common cause for the osteoporosis? Especially in females, if we talk about, there is a there's a decreased level. As there's a decrease in the level of the estrogen, that can be a common cause of the osteoporosis, osteoporosis. Clear? That's the correct answer. So A statement is correct and R is incorrect. So here we have the answer. Chaliye. Question number 7, everyone, on your screen. Question number 7. Let's take a look over here. Okay, which of the following is correct match for disease and its symptom? Read arthritis, inflamed joints, tetany, high calcium level causing the rapid spasm, right? Spam. Then we have the myasthenia gravis, genetic disorder resulting in the weakening and the paralysis of the skeletal muscle, and muscular dystrophy, an autoimmune disorder causing the progressive degeneration of the skeletal muscle. What will be the answer, everyone? What will be the answer? Yes, option number A is the correct answer. Option number A is the correct answer. Many of you got confused with the other option, but let's take a look. Let's quickly take a look over here. See, arthritis ka symptoms correctly match, and then we will have the inflammation, right, in the joints. Tetani में क्या होता है? High level of the calcium ions होता है या फिर what is the reason behind it? See, इनका तो they have interchange. If you come back to C and D, right, muscular dystrophy is a genetic disorder. Right, it's a genetic disorder resulting in the weakening and the paralysis of the skeletal muscle, whereas this is a ulta match that we have. Clear, everyone? Yes? Very good. Absolutely correct. Ashwini, you choose for, okay, you have opted for the tetani. It should be the, not high level, right? Low level of calcium. It should be the low level. Everyone, are we clear? See, बच्चों, अगर आप देखोगे ना, with the trends that we have seen in past few years में जो questions आए हैं, we have two major winner in the questions. First है ज़्यादातर questions हमें कहाँ से मिले हैं? Diseases से. बहुत सारे questions आए हैं different diseases that we have in the locomotion, in the movement. Second type के जो questions आए हैं हमें कहाँ से मिले हैं? Muscle contraction से. So it's very easy, right? अब हमारा जो रिविजन जो हो रहा है एंड मूवमेंट पे, दिस इज वेरी क्लियर कि हमें दो टॉपिक्स को तो अच्छे से पढ़ना ही है. वंस दैट इज क्लियर, देन ऑफ कोर्स विल कम बैक एंड विल सी द अदर डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स ऑल टुगेदर. क्लियर? चलिए, लेट्स मूव अहेड टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हियर वी गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एवरीवन. हियर वी हैव क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 ऑन द स्क्रीन. लेट्स टेक अ लुक. Here we have question number 8. Okay, chronic autoimmune disorder affecting the neural muscular junction leading to fatigue, weakness and paralysis of the skeletal muscle is called as what? Gout, arthritis, muscular dystrophy or the gravis. Easy. अभी जो question करा है ना, वहीं से you will get the answer. From there only you will get the answer. It's a autoimmune disease. That's a major hint that we have. I want all of you to vote for the correct answer. Very good majority, very close by. 19 of you have voted for the correct answer. सही answer हमारा क्या है? Right, gravis. Basically, it's an autoimmune disorder. यहाँ पे क्या है? Muscles का degeneration होगा. Right? We'll see the fatigue leading to fatigue, weakness and the paralysis of the skeletal muscles all together. Yes? चलिए. Okay? Somnath, yes बच्चे, we will be taking classes, right? We have the classes planned. हम full fledged अभी 2026 की जो, अगर आप 11th में आए हैं, अभी classes हम start करेंगे after the NEET examination. I'm just repeating it again. We have spoken about it earlier also. So I would request you to watch the videos that are already there on the channel for class 11th, right? And अभी हमने human physiology करी है. So please go through those videos. 6 chapter हैं उसमें, go through those videos. Right? And of course you can start with the living word, वो हमारे channel पे है. We have all the chapters. So please start going through that and we'll start the classes post the NEET examination 2024. Okay, चलिए. Moving to the question number 9, everyone. Here we go to the question number 9. Let's see what we have. Okay, match. Again, अगर match आ रहा है तो यहाँ पे bones के बारे में भी हमारे पास में है match. We have list 1 and list 2. We have the different bones and of course where they are present kind of. So we have the scapula, we have cranium, sternum and the vertebral column. We have the cartilaginous joint, flat bone, then fibrous joint and the triangular flat bone. Easy. It's a very easy question, I would say. Right? काफी easy question हो जाता है. If you know the B, you know the answer. If you know the A and B, actually, I would say, because they are very unique characteristic features that we have in our body's bone, right? बहुत ही special type की bones हैं, joints हैं, जिनके बारे में बात की है ये specially. Very good. 17 of you have voted for the correct answer, right? And that is option number A, right? That's the option number A. Very good. हाँ, so scapula, triangular flat bone, कहाँ पे present है? यहाँ पे, right? Which is attached to the collarbone. Yes. Okay. Then we have cranium, fibrous joint, sternum, flat bone. Then vertebral column, cartilaginous joint. Easy peasy. चलिए next question everyone, last question from the chapter locomotion and movement. Here we have the last question from this particular chapter. Pick the correct answer. During the muscular contraction, which of the following event occurred? Interesting everyone. H zone disappear, A bands widen, I band reduced in its width, width. Then we have myosin hydrolyze ATP, releasing the ADP and the phosphate ion, and Z line attached, the actin are pulled inwards. This is a full recap of your muscle contraction. If you answer this, then you know that इसमें से क्या क्या हो रहा है. We have 5 statements. Very good, very good. Majority of you got the answer absolutely correct. ऑप्शन में बी राइट. सी एच जोन डिसअपियर होता है, हाँ बिल्कुल होता है. ए बैंड के बारे में पता है कि ए बैंड में कुछ नहीं होता, तो वो ये गलत हो जाएगा राइट. आई बैंड रिड्यूस करता है, डेफिनेटली करता है. मायोसिन हाइड्रोलाइज होगा राइट. अब जब हमारा कॉन्ट्रैक्शन हो रहा है, जब लोग पास में आ रहे हैं तो क्या हो रहा है, मायोसिन हाइड्रोलाइज करेगा एटीपी को, एंड देन इट विल बी रिलीजिंग दी एडीपी एंड दी फॉस्फेटाइन. और ऑफ कोर्स जेड लाइन क्या होगी, अटैच टू दी एक्टिन इज पुल्ड इनवर्ड्स. अभी तो हमारा जो सेंट्रोमियर की लेंथ क्या हो रहा है, कम हो रही है. यस चलिए, very good. Okay everyone, so that was a question number that was the last question from the locomotion and the movement chapter. So हमारे पास में total 10 questions है from each chapter, but last में हमारे पास में 10 questions है random है, मतलब 3 question कहीं से भी आ सकते हैं 4 वैसे से. So of course they are from these 3 chapters, but of course the number is very random. So we'll take a look at that the last part. चलिए, here we have everyone, we have fastest, which is Tirthraj. Then we have Astha, Piyush, NEET aspirant, aged X9. We have Ashwini, we have Divya, Abhinaya, Nigam, and Random. Congratulations, everyone. Congratulations. How are you feeling? Before we move to the next chapter, tell me how you're feeling. 10 में से 10 किसके आए हैं? ये जो सारे questions हैं बच्चों, ये all of these questions are the PYQs. 2023-20 तक के PYQs हमने लिए हैं. कुछ किसी ने 19 तक भी गए हैं राइट. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, बढ़िया. ऑल ऑफ दीज क्वेश्चंस आर सुपर इंपॉर्टेंट एवरीवन राइट, एंड इट्स गुड दैट ऑल ऑफ यू आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग एंड आंसरिंग ऑल्सो. वेरी गुड अश्विनी, वेरी गुड निगम सॉरी. यस, वेरी गुड देवांशी, वेरी गुड नीलिमा. दिस इज तीर्थराज राइट. वेरी गुड गणेश. Yes, Aditya. Good, very good. Lavanya, very good. बढ़िया है. Thank you for sharing your marks also. So everyone, are you ready for the next chapter, which is neural coordination and control? Basically, it's all about the brain वाला part, right? Luckily, पता है इस chapter में से ये जो neural control and coordination वाला chapter है, जब हम पढ़ाई भी करें तभी मैंने बोला था कि from this particular chapter they have removed the topics of sense organ. And if you won't, like I'm sure you all have seen कि in the past few years, right, in every paper, right, you will find the question of eye or the ear, है ना? It was such an important topic, but luckily this time it's not there for us. That means that we have other different topics to focus upon. Question based upon how the chemical and the electrical coordination is happening, right? Depolarization and repolarization, basically the beginning and the mechanism or the conduction of the action potential. The brain is important, right? So now we have an understanding कि भाई इस chapter में से क्या क्या आएगा. Yes, चलिए, very good. It's okay, Lavanya. We all are learning, right? Don't say sorry. We are just correcting our mistakes. अगर कुछ हो रही है तो. Yes, Ashwini. Okay. कुछ time लग गया. It's okay. Take your time but pick the correct answer. Yes, Piyush. Very good. चलिए everyone. Now let's move ahead to the next chapter. And here we have question number 11 on our screen. Question number 11, everyone. We have to pick the correct answer. अच्छा, brain stem of the human brain consists of. कितना easy question है. All of you should vote for the correct answer. भाई brain stem जो बन रहा है किसका बनता है? कौन से पार्ट है उसमें? ऑप्शन नंबर ए जहां पे मिड ब्रेन है, पॉन्स एंड मेडुला है. ऑप्शन नंबर बी जहां पे फोर ब्रेन है, सेरिबेलम है और पॉन्स है. ऑप्शन सी जहां पे थैलेमस है, हाइपोथैलेमस है, या फिर कॉर्पोरा क्वाड्रिगेनम है या फिर अमेगडाला, हाइपोकैम्पस एंड वी हैव द कॉर्पस कैलोसम. इजी पीजी. Very good. Six of you got confused with the answer, बच्चे. We're talking about the brain stem. Brain stem में last part है basically. उसमें pons है, medulla और mid brain है. Right? We have the option number A as the correct answer. See, my drawing is not that great, but अगर हम यहाँ पे देखें, अगर ये हमारा cerebellum में मान के चलें, यहाँ पे we have the structure, right? So यहाँ पे है mid brain हमारा. Mid brain के नीचे pons and medulla, ये तीनों ही मिलके क्या बना रहे हैं? हमारा brain stem. Okay, now I hope that you will not forget. Chaliye, question number 12 everyone on your screen, and here we go at the question number 12. Easy peasy questions everyone. Okay, the part of the human brain जो actually भी help करता है in the regulation of sexual behavior, expression of excitement, pleasure, rage, fear, etc. कौन सा part actually कर रहा है? Easy, ये हमने पढ़ा है. Okay. Sorry, I was about to give you the answer. कौन सा ब्रेन का पार्ट एक्चुअली में कंट्रोल कर रहा है सेक्सुअल बिहेवियर को या फिर एक्साइटमेंट को, गुस्से को, रेज, Very good. Option number D is the correct answer. That includes the amygdala, right? Of which we have in the limbic system में हमारे पास में दो हैं, amygdala and we have the hippocampus, right? And then of course we have the hypothalamus also. So option number D is the correct answer over here. क्या सही आंसर है हमारा? Option number D. I hope that it's clear. हमने पढ़ा था ना amygdala क्या कर रहा था? amygdala जो हमारे जो rage था, गुस्सा था, उसे कन्वर्ट कर रहा, जो डर था हमारा उसे कन्वर्ट कर रहा था aggression में. Yes. You remember this? Now, hypothalamus definitely plays an important role in the pleasure and the excitement, and hippocampus बाकी चीजों को कंट्रोल कर रहा है. That we have. चलिए. Okay. Limbic system के बारे में याद रखेंगे. It has two important parts, and ये सब चीजें वहां से कंट्रोल हुई along with the hypothalamus. So easy peasy for us to remember. चलिए. Question number 13, everyone on your screen. Question number 13 on your screen. Here we have. You have to match the following everyone. हमारे पास में है multi neurons, bipolar neurons, myelinated nerve fiber and the unimyelinated neurons. Easy. फटाफट से इसको मैच कर दीजिए. Yes everyone. It's easy if you know the I think neuron वाला अगर पता चल जाएगा तो it's easy. Okay, seems like not all of you have voted for this question. या फिर time जल्दी हो गया या फिर कुछ तो issue है because the votes are very less over here. Let's see everyone. The correct answer over here is option number A. So we have multipolar neuron. Multipolar neuron कहाँ पे मिलेगा हमें? Cerebellum cortex यहाँ पे, right? And ये जो बाहर वाला part है वहाँ पे we have the multipolar neuron. Cerebral cortex में we have bipolar neuron. Retina of the eye में मिलेगा हमें. Then we have myelinated nerve fiber. We have this in the spinal nerves, faster conduction के लिए. Then we have unmyelinated nerve fiber in the somatic neural system. So option number A is the correct answer. अच्छा मेंटी में लैग है. ओके, जस्ट रिफ्रेश योर पेज वंस अगेन एवरीवन. फटाफट से एक बार ना अपने पेज को रिफ्रेश कर लीजिए. आई एम गिविंग यू सम टाइम. रिफ्रेश योर पेज एंड कम बैक एंड टेल मी आफ्टर यू रिफ्रेश योर पेज, राइट? देन विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Yes, just refresh your page and then come back and tell me. I think now it's okay. Okay. Okay, activated, right? I hope that all of you have refreshed your page. Chaliye. Now give me a quick thumbs up, everyone. Give me a quick thumbs up and then we'll move ahead. Okay. Oh, that's a little bit disappointing, Piyush. But कोई नहीं बेटा lag था तो but you know the answer ना, that's a good thing. चलिए. Let's move to the next question, everyone. Question number 14. Question number 14. Let's see what we have. Okay. We have to select in the MENTI there, for them it is lagging. Yeah. Yes. We have to select the incorrect statement regarding the synapses. Easy peasy, everyone. The membrane of the presynaptic and the postsynaptic neuron are in close proximity in the electrical synapse. Electrical current can flow directly from one neuron into the another or across the electrical synapse. Chemical synapse use neurotransmitters and impulse transmission across the chemical synapse is always faster than the across of the electrical. It's a very confusing question, everyone. You have to find the incorrect statement. गलत statement हमें pick करना था. And 16 of you have voted for the correct answer. कुछ बच्चे confuse हो गए यहाँ पे. कुछ बच्चे confuse हुए हैं. ये गलत है. Impulse transmission across the chemical synapse is always faster than that of the electrical impulse. Electrical synapse हमने पढ़ा था कि भाई electrical synapse के through जल्दी transfer होगा. भाई एकदम पास में है ना. They don't have to wait for the signal. They don't have to release the neurotransmitters and etc. etc. Electrical transmission तो उसी तरीके से हो रहा है जहाँ से पूरा न्यूरॉन में चल रहा है. So that is faster for sure. Okay. Then of course chemical synapse में we use the neurotransmitter. Absolutely correct. Electrical current can flow directly from one neuron to another neuron across the electrical synapse. Yes, that is absolutely correct. Right. The membrane of the presynaptic and the postsynaptic neurons are in close proximity. Absolutely correct. एकदम पास पास में रहते हैं. Right? Yes, everyone? Clear? Yes. Give me a moment, everyone. Give me a moment. Okay. I think, yeah, they have been blocked. I don't know why some useless people come here and try to waste our time. You are blocked forever. Give me a minute, everyone. I don't know why we... Yeah, both of these are blocked forever. Sit at your home and you're good for nothing. Yeah, such students who are just here for spamming, you're good for nothing. Please do not waste our precious time. Yes, sit at your home and do whatever you want to. Chaliye. Moving to the question number 15, everyone. Question number 15 on your screen. Here we go. Question number 15. Let's take a look over here. Which part of the brain is responsible for the thermoregulation? Easiest question, everyone. Please, कृपा करके सभी बच्चे सही आंसर को पिक करें. All of you should vote for the correct answer. सभी को सही आंसर देना चाहिए. Which part of the brain? Yes. Garyash, absolutely correct. Option number D, the hypothalamus, right? Is responsible for the thermoregulation. Of course, hypothalamus control करता है thermoregulation body का temperature. चलिए. Now everyone, we have the leaderboard. 5 questions are done from the chapter neural control and coordination. Now we'll be moving to the next 5 set of questions. Okay, we have fastest agent X9, then we have Teejraj, NEET aspirant Asta, Devansh, Ashwini, Divya, Piyush, Abhinaya, Nigam, agent X9 and random. Congratulations. Yes, the easiest question in a day, right? हम भगवान से प्रार्थना करेंगे, right? We will say कि भाई we should also have the such type of easy questions in our NEET examination. चलिए. Okay, everyone. Let's move to the next question. Question number 16. Question number 16, everyone, on our screen. Here we have question number 16. We have to pick the correct answer. Which of the following structure or a region is incorrectly paired with its function? Medulla oblongata control the respiration and the cardiovascular reflex. Corpus callosum, band of a fiber connecting left and the right cerebral hemisphere. Hypothalamus, production of the releasing hormone and regulation of temperature, hunger and thirst. And limbic system consists of a fiber tract that interconnect different region of the brain, controls movement. It's such an easy question. I'm sure we'll be able to find the answer aram se. We have to find the, yes, incorrect thing, right? So option number D is the correct answer. Option number D is the correct answer. See, medulla oblongata, definitely it is the one that controls the respiration and the cardiovascular reflex. Medulla oblongata. We know this is correct. Corpus callosum, band of the fiber connecting to left and the right cerebral hemisphere. It is also correct. Hypothalamus, production of releasing hormone and the regulation of temperature, hunger and thirst. And limbic system, भाई ये काम नहीं करता है. Consist of a fiber trait नहीं है. Limbic system का अभी हमने पढ़ा था ना. What is the right answer for the limbic system, everyone? Yes, अभी पढ़ा था. We had this question. कि भाई limbic system plays a super important role, right? It is a center where, of course, we have the center for the controlling for the fear, anger, rage, pleasure, excitement, sexual behavior. Okay, so that's a limbic system. Emotional motor center बोलते हैं हम इसको, right? Yes, very good, Ashwini. Yes, the emotions. We have three parts, right? Amygdala, hippocampus and the hypothalamus over here. Chaliye. Okay, next question, everyone. Question number 17 on our screen. Here we have. Yes, Devanshi. Okay. Receptor site for the neurotransmitter are present on. कहाँ पे receptors present होते हैं for the neurotransmitters? कौन है? मतलब कहाँ पे neurotransmitters के receptors present होते हैं? Is it the presynaptic membrane, tip of the axon, postsynaptic membrane, or the membrane of the synaptic vesicles? Very good, everyone. The correct answer over here is option number C. Option number C is the correct answer. Option number C सही है ना? Please देखो, if you remember, we have अगर ये हमारा न्यूरॉन है, right? I'm just making the synaptic lobe, और यहाँ पे हमारे synaptic, we have these synaptic vesicles. इनके अंदर हमारे neurotransmitters हैं. कैल्शियम आएगा, कैल्शियम जो एंट्री होगी, ऑफ कोर्स यहाँ पे हमारे पास में इम्पल्स कैरी हो रही है. सो दिस इज प्रीसिनेप्टिक न्यूरॉन. देन ऑफ कोर्स ऑन द अदर साइड वी हैव द पोस्टसिनेप्टिक न्यूरॉन. ये क्या है? दिस इज अ पोस्टसिनेप्टिक न्यूरॉन. यहाँ पे दे हैव द रिसेप्टर्स. यहाँ पे है हमारे पास में रिसेप्टर्स. ओके, चलिए. ओके, लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एवरीवन. दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. Piyush, I know. Yes, chaliye. Next question, everyone, on your screen. Myelin sheet is produced by. Okay, let's see. Myelin sheet is produced by which cells? We have a huge varieties of options for you to pick. कि भाई ये कौन बना रहे हैं? Myelin sheet कौन बनाता है? Are produced by. Is it A, B, C or D? Very good. Majority of you have voted for the correct answer. Bhai, option number D is the correct answer. Right? Myelin sheet is produced. Myelin sheet is produced by Schwann cell in the PNS, peripheral nervous system. Right? I hope that all of you remember that. Then we have the oligodendrocytes, right? ये कहाँ पे बना रहे हैं? Myelated sheet. They are making in the central nervous system. The correct answer over here is option number D. Everyone, are we clear? Chaliye, very good. Now let's move to the next question. That is question number 19, everyone. Question number 19. Here we have question number 19. Let's take a look. Which of the following region of our brain is incorrectly paired with its function? We have the corpus callosum, communication between the right and the left hemisphere cortex. Then we have cerebrum, calculation and the complementation, right? We have medulla oblongata, hemostasis control और the cerebellum, language comprehension. यहाँ पे हमें पूछा है इसमें से कौन सा part is incorrectly matched? Is incorrectly matched. Again बहुत ही obvious सा question है, right? Let's see everyone. Okay, अरे वाह, C and D में लोगों को confusion है. Let's see the options and let's find out. Right? अब यहाँ पे देखते हैं. We have corpus callosum जो communicate कर रहा है from the left and the right hemisphere. Absolutely correct. Cerebrum, calculation and जो ना calculation चलती है, thinking चलती है, वो cerebrum control कर the forebrain, right? The biggest part that we have, right? Cerebrum. Yes. Medulla oblongata. Hemostasis control. अब यहाँ पे basically इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? Right? इसका यहाँ पे क्या मतलब हुआ? See, definitely medulla plays a super important role in the controlling of the respiration and the cardiovascular reflex and other, non-involuntary functions that we have. So definitely it has an important role in the maintaining the balance also. A little bit, of course, for sure. Cerebellum में तो भाई, cerebellum का main function क्या था? To give us a body posture, right? Balancing वाला जो रहता है. Language comprehension कहाँ पे आएगा? हमारे cerebrum के पास में ही जाएगा. Yes. Okay, chaliye. So option number D is incorrect over here. Last question everyone from this particular chapter. That is neural control and coordination. में से last question everyone. देखते हैं क्या question है. Here we have. अच्छा. It's a very interesting question everyone. Take your time. हमें यहाँ पे दिखाया हुआ है क्या? We have the basically axon का end दिखाया है, right? हमें A दिया है, हमारे पास में D है, this is D, this is A, फिर these are the B, and on the opposite we have this, these are the D. हमें basically identify करना है कि क्या क्या है. Okay, so you know what is these, आपको पता है ये क्या है, you know कि ये दो सिनेप्स के बीच में जो गैप है वहां पे क्या आएगा. We know कि इस वेसिकल के अंदर क्या है and we know कि भाई क्या सिग्नल यहां से आ रहा है. Very good. Option number A is the correct answer. That is option number. That is कि भाई C जो है यहाँ पे okay sorry हाँ these were the C, right? C क्या है? हमारे receptors हैं. What are these? These are the receptors, right? And हमारे पास में जो D हैं these are the vesicles, synaptic vesicles. A हमारा क्या है? Axon आ जाएगा. राइट एंड ऑफ कोर्स हमारे पास में जो बी है, बी क्या है? न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर्स हैं. सच क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड वेरी क्रूशियल. सो आ सकते हैं हमें, इसलिए हम बोलते हैं कि डायग्राम्स को भी ध्यान से देखना है. Everyone, with this we are done with the chapter neural control coordination. Now we'll be moving to the last chapter that we have, which is the chemical coordination and integration. यहाँ पे सिर्फ हार्मोन्स ही हार्मोन्स है. Fastest is Asta, then we have Ashwini, we have Divya, we have Piyush, NEET aspirant, Teerthraj, Abhinaya, Nigam, Agent X9 and Random. Now tell me everyone, how's your confidence level? अभी के जो 10 में से 10 को कितने बच्चों को मिले, या फिर you can tell me कि 20 में से कितना स्कोर है. What is your score out of 20 out of 20? मतलब 20 में से कितना स्कोर है? 17. Very good. It's a good number. Very good, Ashwini. Very good, Piyush. Very good, Devanshi. Very good, Teerthraj. Very good, Aditya. Nigam. Very good. Okay, because of the lag. हाँ. Good, good, very good. Thank you for sharing your marks, everyone. So, are we ready for the next chapter? Are we all ready for our next chapter? Right, next chapter is very, very interesting and super easy. Very straightforward questions आएंगे. Right, चलिए. So, let's move to the question number 21, everyone, on our screen. Question number 21. Here we have question number 21. Here we have, which of the following statement are correct with respect to the hormone and its function? Thyrocalcitonin, TCT, regulates the blood calcium level. In male, FSH and the androgen regulates the spermatogenesis. Hyperthyroidism can lead to goiter, and glucocorticoids are secreted in the adrenal medulla. Parathyroid hormone is regulated by circulating level of the sodium ions. क्या सही है इसमें से? Which is correct with the in respect to the functions that we have? Fifteen of you have voted for the correct answer, which is absolutely correct, right? 15 of you have voted for the correct option. That is A and B, right? A and B हमारे सिर्फ सही हैं, बाकी सब गलत हैं. Let's see. Thyrocalcitonin, that is TCT, regulates the blood का calcium level. हाँ, वो control करते हैं. Yes. Then in males, FSH and androgen regulates the spermatogenesis. This is also correct. Hyperthyroidism can lead to goiter. Goiter का main reason क्या है? If there is a deficiency of the iodine, है ना? Deficiency of iodine है. So that's not the main. कि अगर ज़्यादा, अगर मतलब we have more secretion of the hormones, that is not causing the goiter. Okay. Then glucocorticoids is secreted in the adrenal medulla. नहीं, यहाँ पे आएगा adrenal cortex. And parathyroid hormone is regulated by circulating level of the sodium ions. नहीं. Clear everyone? Are we clear? Yes. Calcium ions का काम है, not the sodium ions. चलिए, option number A and B are the correct. चलिए. Next, move to the next question, everyone. Question number 22 on your screen. लावण्य, option number C क्या था बच्चे? Option number जो C था, hyperthyroidism can lead to goiter. नहीं, वो we cannot say, right? We cannot say that because hyperthyroidism तो एक condition है. But goiter, what is the main cause of the goiter? कि भाई there is a deficiency of the iodine. Aditya बच्चे, I'm sure this question will not come in your NEET examination, right? Till the time we are here, I would request you to focus on your studies, right? Everyone, please pick the correct answer. We have matched the column over here. Very good. Option number D is the correct answer. Option number D. Let's see. Let's match it up. Option number D. Here we have palm bones, right? Palm bones कहाँ पे हमारे? Palm. यही है ना palm हमारा. Yes, so we have the metacarpals, palm bones, right? यहाँ पे हमारे पास में carpals, metacarpals and phalanges that we have over here. Then we have wrist bone. Wrist bone क्या हो जाएंगे? Carpals हैं. Absolutely correct. We have the ankle bone, right? Ankle bone यहाँ पे देखो, digit bone को हम लोग बोलते हैं phalanges, and ankle bone हो गया हमारा tarsal. So that's the correct. Sorry, option number D is the correct answer. Not this. Option number D is the correct answer. Yes. चलिए. Let's move to the next question, everyone. Question number 23 on your screen. How? Yes, अगर ankle and tarsals को देख लिया तो you will have the correct answer. We have two statements. Parathyroid hormone act on the bones and stimulate the process of bone reposition. Statement 2. Parathyroid hormone along with the thyrocalcitonin plays a significant role in the carbohydrate metabolism. मतलब पढ़ के ही हमें समझ में आ रहा है कि कुछ तो गड़बड़ है स्टेटमेंट्स में. Yes, everyone have voted really very quick. बढ़िया है. हाँ, ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. कुछ लोग कंफ्यूज हो गए. Option number A, statement 1 is correct. Parathyroid hormone act on the bones and stimulate the process of the bone reposition, right? Clear? Then of course, parathyroid hormone along with the calcitonin plays a significant role in the calcium ions ka metabolism, right? Unka up and down to regulate, to keep a control of the calcium that we have in the blood, not the carbohydrate ka metabolism. So option number A is the correct answer. Statement 2 is false and statement A is absolutely correct. Chaliye. Next question everyone. It's okay Ashwini, but you know the answer now, hai na? Yes Aditya. Okay, let's see everyone. Question number 24 on the screen. Which of the following are not under the control of thyroid gland? Maintenance of water and electrolyte balance, regulation of the basal metabolic rate, development of the immune system, support or normal rhythm of the sleep cycle, and support the RBC formation. Which of these is not in the control of the thyroid hormone? Very good. Option B is the correct answer and 18 of you have voted for it. The correct answer over here is C and D, right? See, it plays a super important role in maintaining the water and the electrolyte balance in the body. Regulation of the basal metabolic rate, yes, ये control कर रहा है हमारा thyroid hormone. Support the process of the RBC formation also. Normal rhythm of the sleep cycle, it's the function of the pineal gland. And development of the immune system, thymus. Okay, so C and D are not the correct functions that are done by the thyroid hormone. So option number B is the correct answer that we have over here. Chaliye. Very good Aditya, very good. Chaliye. Let's see after 25, this is the 25th question everyone. Yes. Okay, we have accession and the reason. FSH which interact with the membrane bound receptors does not enter the target cell. Okay, binding of FSH to its receptors generate a secondary messenger that is cycling AMP for its biochemical and physiological response. But so this is from the mechanism. What is the mechanism? How a particular hormone works. Yes. अगर इसमें जरा सा भी कंफ्यूजन है प्लीज गो एंड चेक दी एनसीईआरटी का पेज है ना, वहां पे डायग्राम बढ़िया तरीके से दिया हुआ है. सो वी हैव टू डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ हार्मोन्स, एक है लिपिड सॉल्युबल एंड एक है वाटर सॉल्युबल. लिपिड सॉल्युबल कौन से थे? सी वी हैव अ स्टेयरकेस ओवर हियर 4, 9, 8. ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. एवरीवन टेल मी, हमने पढ़े थे दो टाइप के हार्मोन्स. हमने पढ़ा था एक तो लिपिड हार्मोन्स और एक पढ़ा था लिपिड सॉल्युबल हार्मोन एंड देन वी हैव द वाटर सॉल्युबल हार्मोन. स्टेरॉइड्स, राइट? ये सब कैसे हो गए? जो एक्चुअली अंदर चले जाएंगे. प्रोटीन नहीं जाएगा, पेप्टाइड नहीं जाएगा, अमाइनो एसिड वाले नहीं जाएंगे. क्लियर? सो व्हाट वी रिमेंबर कि एफएसएच हार्मोन एक्चुअली में क्या रहेगा? बाहर ही रहेगा, रिसेप्टर्स साथ में इंटरैक्ट करेगा. इट विल नॉट बी एबल टू गो इनसाइड द सेल, राइट? इट विल बी एक्टिंग विद द रिसेप्टर्स ओनली. So option number C is the correct answer. That both the statements are correct, but it's not the correct explanation. FSH hormone will be interacting with the membrane-bound receptors. Membrane पे आके लग जाएगा, उनके साथ में interact करेगा, right? And it will not be able to enter the target cell directly. Of course, after the binding of it, we will see the complex formation. Of course, we have the secondary messenger, जो हमारा बनेगा cyclic AMP, जो आगे का काम करेगा. Okay? चलिए. Moving to the next question, everyone. Question number 26. But before that, let's take a look at the leaderboard. यहाँ पे मेरे ख्याल से कम points add हुए इस chapter में. Fastest is Asa, then we have Ashwini, we have Abhinaya, we have NEET aspirant, we have Teerthraj, Random, Agent X9, Piyush, Nigam, and Divya. Yes. Okay. Everyone, are we clear? Yes, are we clear? Okay. चलिए. Let's move to the next question. Question number 26, everyone on your screen. Question number 26 on our screen. Okay, which of the following are not the effect of the parathyroid hormone? Stimulate the process of the bone reabsorption, right? Resorption, right? Then decrease calcium ions ka level in the blood. Reabsorption of the calcium by the renal tubules, decrease the absorption of the calcium from the digestive food and increase the metabolism of carbohydrates. We have to pick the correct answer. The tongue twister. देखो अभी भी इस पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर में if you look at the questions, right, we know that बहुत सारे questions आ रहे हैं parathyroid hormones पे. So please make sure everyone you are brushing up your concept for this. Very good. Option number B is the correct answer. Right? Option number B is the correct answer. It will be decreasing the calcium level in the blood. हाँ वो calcium को actually लेता है. Right? It will be decreasing. Then, as not the effect of the parathyroid hormone. इसमें से क्या function नहीं था? Of course, it will not decrease. Right? Then we have D, decrease the absorption of the calcium from the digestive food. ये भी नहीं था. And E, increase the metabolism of the carbohydrate. Rest, these are not the function. ये definitely is a function of the parathyroid hormone. Reabsorption of, basically parathyroid hormone क्या करेगा? Increase करेगा. तो it will be reabsorption more. Clear? And जब जरूरत पड़ती है हमें और जब कैल्शियम का लेवल कम है तो we have this hormone. Clear everyone? Are we clear? All of you कोई confusion तो नहीं है in this parathyroid hormone के function में. We have parathyroid hormone and then we have the calcitonin. राइट, जो थायराइड ग्लैंड के थ्रू रिलीज किया जा रहा है. चलिए, ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 27. नॉट नहीं देखा, हाँ मैंने पढ़ते हुए भी नॉट मिस कर दिया था. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 27 एवरीवन ऑन योर स्क्रीन. ओके, एरिथ्रोपोइटिन हार्मोन which stimulate the RBC formation is produced by. Easy question. JG cells of the kidney, we have alpha cells of the pancreas, the cells of the rostral adenohypophysis and the cells of the bone marrow. Very good everyone. Option number A is the correct answer. Option number A is the correct answer. JG cells of the kidneys, right? हमने पढ़ा है, easy peasy. दो बार पढ़ लिया हमने तो in two different chapters. So yeah, so erythropoietin hormones is which stimulate the RBC का formation is produced by the JG cells of the kidney. Okay. Next question everyone. Question number 28 on your screen. Column 1 and column 2 we have to match. We have the gland name and then we have the disease name. Let's see everyone, easy peasy, easy peasy. There are two for sure, and if you know that, then you'll be able to find the answer for the next for this particular question. Very good. Option number D is the correct answer. Right? Option number D is the correct answer. Pituitary gland का क्या है हमारे पास में? We have the diabetes insipidus, right? That's there. फिर thyroid gland, Graves' disease. Adrenal gland, Addison disease. And we have the pancreas, diabetes mellitus. We have more Piyush. Okay, chali. That's option number D is the correct answer, everyone. Right? पोर्टल सिस्टम बेसिकली वो है जो डायरेक्टली पहले ब्लड के पास में, राइट, ब्लड के हार्ट के पास में ब्लड जाना चाहिए, पर उससे पहले वो एक ऑर्गन के थ्रू लेके जा रहे हैं. क्लियर? चलिए, लेट्स मूव अहेड एवरीवन. हियर वी हैव द 29th question on our screen. So we have to select the correct statement. Glucagon is associated with the hypoglycemia. Glucocorticoid stimulates the gluconeogenesis. Insulin act on the pancreatic cells and the adipocytes, and insulin is associated with the hyperglycemia. Very good, everyone. Option number B is the correct answer. Option number B, that the glucocorticoids stimulates the gluconeogenesis. This is the correct statement. बाकी सब कुछ गलत है. Clear, everyone? So the glucagon is associated with the hyper वाला है. Okay? Insulin उल्टा हो जाएगा, that is hypo, and insulin act on the pancreatic cells and the adipocyte cells नहीं. अच्छा, who will tell me पे कि insulin कहाँ पे act करता है? Insulin will be acting where? Right? Hepatocytes, liver के cells पे. Sorry. Clear? Yes. Hepatocytes and the adipocytes. Not only pancreatic cells. Pancreatics में तो pancreas में से तो निकल रहा है ना, right? Clear? चलिए. Next question, everyone. Here we go. Here we go to the last question from this particular chapter. We have question number 30. On our screen, we have this. How does the steroid hormone influence the cellular activity? We're talking about the steroid hormone. Activating the cyclic AMP located on the cell membrane, using the aquaporin channels as the second messengers, changing the permeability of the cell membrane, and binding of the DNA and forming a gene hormone complex. Sixteen of you have voted for the correct answer. The correct answer is option number D. Everyone, option number D is the correct answer. That is the binding of the DNA and forming the gene hormone complex, right? How does the steroid hormone influence? Of course, ये actually cell के अंदर जाएगा, bind करेगा DNA पे and will be forming the gene hormone complex. Very good, everyone. चलिए. So with this, we are done with the 10 question from the chapter chemical coordination and the integration. Let's see the leaderboard, and after this we have 10 random questions, not random questions, सभी questions PYQ हैं, and वो सारी questions अभी जो chapters हमने पढ़े उसी में से हैं, but जो उनके number हैं वो थोड़े से random हैं. Yes, Astha is there as the fastest one. Then we have Ashwini, we have Abhinaya, NEET aspirant, Teetraj, Random, Piyush, Nigam, Agent X9, and Nemo. Congratulations, everyone. So, acha, now that we are done with the 3 chapters, or I should ask you this question at the end. Last में मैं आपसे फिर से question पूछूंगी, अभी फिर से पूछ लेती हूँ. Which you feel is the easiest chapter amongst these 3 chapters that we are doing the MENTI of? Which of these, which of the 3 chapters is the easiest one? Tell me, everyone, which of these chapters that we have just, had a look of the questions is the easiest? Locomotion is easy. Okay. Locomotion. Nigam, Anita is mentioning locomotion. Ashwini बोली सारी equal है. Excuse me. Locomotion. बढ़िया है. चलिए everyone. So let's move ahead, right, and let's take a look at the last 10 questions from these 3 chapters altogether. Here we have, everyone. Let's see the question number 31 on our screen. Which of the following hormones can play a significant role in the osteoporosis? कौन सा हार्मोन प्ले करता है सिग्निफिकेंट रोल इन दी osteoporosis? Estrogen and parathyroid hormone, aldosterone and prolactin, progesterone and the aldosterone and parathyroid hormone and prolactin. Yes, we have 10 questions only. Yes, very good everyone. Option number A is the correct answer. Estrogen and the parathyroid hormone. नहीं अश्विनी वो सही नहीं होगा. नहीं calcium नहीं होगा. So we have estrogen, right? We have the estrogen and the parathyroid hormone. Estrogen का important role है, right? In the bones में, right? And of course parathyroid hormone अगर ज़्यादा हो गया तो क्या होगा? ज़्यादा ही कैल्शियम चला जाएगा तो of course बोन्स की जो हालत है वो खराब हो जाएगी. ओके, सो ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 32 एवरीवन ऑन योर स्क्रीन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 32, लेट्स सी. Which of the following is an amino acid derived hormone? Okay, this could be a little tricky for you, but I'm sure इसमें से एक ही हार्मोन का नाम हमने सुना है, तो that will be the answer. Yes. Very good everyone. The correct answer over here is option number C. Epinephrine is a amino acid derived hormone. Very direct question. Option number C is the correct answer for this. Chaliye. Question number 33, and here we have the question. Yes, do or die hormones released by the adrenal medulla. GnRH, a hypothalamic hormone needed in the reproduction, acts on anterior pituitary gland and stimulate the secretion of LH and the FSH hormone, posterior pituitary gland and stimulate the secretion of oxytocin and the FSH, then posterior pituitary gland and stimulate the secretion of LH and relaxin, and anterior pituitary gland stimulate the secretion of LH and the oxytocin. Very easy question, I would say. Gonadotropin releasing hormone GnRH जो रिप्रोडक्शन में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करते हैं, कहाँ किस पे एक्ट करते हैं? And the correct answer over here is option number A. Absolutely correct everyone. कहाँ पे they act actually on the anterior pituitary gland, right? And वहाँ से stimulation होगा. There's a release of the LH and the FSH that will be going on the gonads, and of course then more further reactions and the actions will take place. So option number A is the correct answer. Next question everyone. Here we have 34 question on our screen. Name a peptide hormone which act mainly on the hepatocytes, adenopocytes and enhance cellular glucose uptake and utilization. Yes, everyone. This particular hormone is acting on two cells, right? And of course, will be helping in enhancing the cellular uptake of and the utilization. बात तो हम ग्लूकोज की कर रहे हैं. एक रोकता है कि भाई ग्लूकोज का इस्तेमाल मत करो और एक बोला कि ग्लूकोज का यूज करो. So insulin is the one that will be acting on the hepatocytes and the adipocytes and enhance cellular ग्लूकोज का अपटेक एंड यूटिलाइजेशन, whereas the glucagon will say कि भाई यूटिलाइज मत करो. So option number A, that is insulin, is the correct answer. चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 35 everyone. Here we have question number 35. ये बाकी के स्टार्टिंग के क्वेश्चंस हमारे पास कैसे थे? फ्रॉम द चैप्टर ऑफ हार्मोन, राइट, केमिकल कोऑर्डिनेशन इंटीग्रेशन. अब आगे हमारे पास में फ्रॉम द न्यूरल कंट्रोल. चलिए एवरीवन, हियर we have A. I'll just delete this. We have A, B, C, and D. We have A, B, and C, and D. Everyone take a look at the diagram very carefully. Very good. Option number D is the correct answer. And few of you got confused because थोड़ा सा एक तो image भी ऐसा है. But the correct answer that we have over here is option number D. A is the cerebrum. C is the pons, right? D हमारा cerebellum है. But D cerebellum कहाँ पे mention है? यहाँ पे mention है नहीं. यहाँ पे mention है नहीं. यहाँ पे mention है नहीं. यहाँ पे C midbrain बोल दो, पर midbrain तो ऊपर होता है, right? So this is how we can actually find the correct answer. So option number D is the correct answer that we have. Okay. I'm not sure this is there in our syllabus and I'm not aware about it. So really requesting you to find the answer on the internet. I'm sure you will be able to get it. Okay, fastest is Nemo, then we have Astha, Abhinaya, we have Ashwini, NEET aspirant, Random, Teerth, Raj, Piyush, Nigam, Nemo and Ananya. Congratulations. Right, we have last 5 questions everyone. Last final 5 questions. Without taking a break, let's quickly take a look at the last five questions. Okay, the most abundant intracellular cation is? The most abundant intercellular cation is which? Hydrogen, potassium, sodium or calcium? Cations and the यहाँ पे थोड़ा confusion I'm sure हो सकता है. Yes, the correct answer over here is the option would be, that is a potassium. Potassium ही सही answer है, right? It's a most. Yes. हाँ, इंट्रा मतलब सेल के अंदर की बात हो रही थी, राइट? इंट्रासेलुलर, दैट इज दी पोटेशियम, एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स इंटर में हो जाएगा हमारा सोडियम. वेरी गुड. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 37 एवरीवन ऑन योर स्क्रीन. Okay, when a neuron is in a resting stage, that is no conducting any impulse, the axon membrane is. क्या है हाल axon membrane का? Comparatively is more permeable to sodium ions and nearly impermeable to the potassium ions, equally permeable to both the ions, impermeable to both the ions, or comparatively more permeable to the potassium ions and nearly impermeable to the sodium ions. See, option number B and C को तो you can cut it off, मतलब वो तो है ही नहीं. There is the permeability and there is permeability and the impermeability that we have. So either option A or option number D में से सही आंसर होगा. Very good. Option number D is the correct answer. So जो axonal membrane है, in the resting phase में क्या होगा? It is more permeable to the sodium ions, sorry, potassium ions. Potassium ion easily मतलब आ जा सकते हैं, but it is impermeable to the sodium. चलिए. Next question everyone on your screen. Question number 38. Question number 38 everyone on your screen, and here we have. Okay, match the following we have from the locomotion and the movement chapter. So we have column 1 and column 2. We have floating ribs, acromion, scapula, and the glenoid cavity. Let's see, everyone have voted. What is the correct answer for this particular question, everyone? Very good. Option number C is the correct answer. Option number C. Why the C? Can I tell you the easiest one to find out? Floating ribs, not connected to the sternum. If you know this, then of course you can go back and see कि बाकी option सही है या नहीं. We have the acromion, right, which is 3. Clavicle, यहाँ पे, right? So, yes. Then of course we have the scapula, located between the 2nd and the 7th rib. Yes. And we have the glenoid cavity. यहाँ पे इसका आंसर हो जाएगा. What is left is the head of the humerus. Easy peasy. Okay, next question, everyone. Question number 39 on the screen. Okay, we have to select the correct option. Each rib is a flat, thin bone, and all the ribs are connected dorsally to the thoracic vertebrae and ventral to the sternum. There are 7 pairs of the vertebrosternum, 3 pairs of the vertebrochondral, and 2 pairs of the vertebral ribs. 8th, 9th, and 10th pairs of the rib articulate directly with the sternum, and 11th and 12th pair of ribs are connected to the sternum with the help of the hyaline cartilage. You have to find the correct option, everyone. Correct option pick करना है. Very good. Option number B is the correct answer. Option number B is the correct answer, everyone. This is the correct answer. यहाँ पे जो option number A क्या बोल रहा है हमें कि each rib is a flat, thin bones and all the ribs are connected. Not all the ribs are connected to the dorsally to the vertebral column, right? सभी नहीं connect हो रहे हैं, right? Dorsally और यहाँ पे नहीं. Of course we have 1 to 7 तक ही connected है, बाकी 8, 9, 10th, 11th and 12th नहीं है, right? 8, 9th and 10th of course वो 7th से आगे से connected है, पर वो तीनों individually connected नहीं है sternum से. And 11th and 12th are the floating bones, right? वो कहीं भी कहीं से connected नहीं है. Clear? So of course option number B is the correct answer. Okay, last question, everyone, of our last question. Last question, everyone, of our MENTI today. Let's see what is the last question. Here we have calcium is important in the skeletal muscle contraction because it attaches to the myosin head from the actin filament, binds to troponin to remove the masking of the active site on actin for myosin, prevent the formation of bonds between the myosin cross bridge and the actin filament, or activate the myosin ATPase by binding to it. Very easy question. हमने पढ़ा है ना? We have myosin. Myosin कैसा है? Myosin के पास में दो लाइट, मतलब बेसिकली दो लाइट टेल है एक तो, अगर दो पार्ट की बात करें, it has a tail जहाँ पे दो threads kind of a structure जो attach है, basically जो हमारे filaments हैं वो, right? Meromyosin, and then of course head region है जहाँ पे we have the cross arm. Very good. Option number B is the correct answer. That is, it will be binding to the troponin, right? Which of course, अगर हम actin की बात करें, remember actin was this. Basically अगर मैं ऐसे बनाऊँ actin को, so we have the actin, and on the actin, right, हमारे पास में दो filamentous structures है, that is the tropomyosin, right, and then of course we have the troponin, जहाँ पे तीन है, right, तीन proteins है. Clear? चलिए, very good. That is the correct answer, everyone. And with this, we are done with our MENTI. Ta-da! We had 40 questions, everyone, and of course, it's an approximately 1 hour 45 minutes session. Sorry, 1 hour, half an hour session. Yes, 1 hour 30 minute session. Yes, very, very good. Asta is there on the top of the leaderboard. Then we have Abhinaya, we have Ashwini, Random, NEET aspirant Piyush, Nigam, Teetraj, Nemo, and Ananya. Congratulations. Congratulations everyone. How are you feeling? Now I'll ask you the question again. How's the confidence level? How's the confidence level everyone for this particular chapter? For these chapter altogether. बढ़िया से रिविजन किया हमने सारे. अगर आप देखोगे ना बच्चों, see ऐसा है कि क्वेश्चंस हैं हमारे पास में ऑलरेडी, नीट में आ चुके हैं, PYQs हैं, पर उन क्वेश्चन को पिक करना कि इस तरीके से कि हमारा सभी जो सारे टॉपिक का रिवीजन हो जाए, इट्स अ टास्क एंड आई ट्राई माय बेस्ट टू पिक अप दोस क्वेश्चंस, ताकि एक ना पूरे चैप्टर का फ्लो बन जाए एंड वी कैन इजीली रिकॉल द होल चैप्टर विद फ्यू क्वेश्चंस. सो विद दैट एजेंडा हम मेंटी बनाते हैं एंड आई कम टू यू एंड वी सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस. Thank you Lavanya, thank you so much for the participation and coming to the class. Teeraj, it's good बच्चे, but you know the answers, right? Aspirant, thank you so much beta. Thank you Lavanya, yes thank you Ashwini, thank you Piyush, thank you Devanshi, very good, very good, very good Pampa, very good aspirant. Chaliye everyone, so this was the week, right? Saturday Sunday है, again we don't have any class, but again I will tell you that Monday को we will have the molecular basis of inheritance. So हम एक ही बार में पूरा चैप्टर पढ़ने वाले. We just have the part 1. I hope हम part 1 में कंप्लीट कर ले. We don't need the part 2 for it. So everyone 2 दिन है आपके पास में. I know कि आप बैकलॉग्स होंगे आपके पास में, या फिर बैकलॉग इन आप बाकी चैप्टर्स को पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं. You have physics and the chemistry. But for the bio I'm just giving you a heads up. अगर आपने अभी तक मॉलिक्यूलर बेसिस ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस नहीं पढ़ा था, सो प्लीज गो थ्रू इट वंस. हमारी पुरानी वीडियोस देख लीजिए, गो थ्रू योर नोट्स एंड बी रेडी ऑन मंडे फॉर द सेशन. हाँ, यस, द मोस्ट लेंथीएस्ट चैप्टर. होपफुली वी डोंट नीड अ पार्ट 2 ऑफ इट. हम एक दिन में खत्म करने की कोशिश करेंगे, राइट? बट आई वांट फुल अटेंशन एंड एक्साइटमेंट फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर, बिकॉज भी सबसे लेंथी चैप्टर है और उसमें से क्वेश्चन आते ही आते हैं, तो हम उस पर फोकस करेंगे. फिर हम एवोल्यूशन पढ़ेंगे नेक्स्ट वीक में, और फिर हम ऑफकोर्स एनिमल किंगडम पढ़ेंगे. तो हमारे पास में नेक्स्ट वीक का टारगेट थोड़ा सा शॉर्ट है ना? बहुत ही बढ़िया चैप्टर्स है. नेक्स्ट वीक में सारे हैवी वेटेड चैप्टर हम लेंगे, ताकि हमारी रैंक बढ़ जाएगी, मार्क्स और बढ़ जाएंगे. चलिए, विद दैट नोट एवरीवन, आई विल से बाय बाय टू यू. डू टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ. अच्छे से पढ़ाई कीजिएगा. यू हैव द वीकेंड टाइम. आज का दिन है सैटरडे एंड संडे, एंड विल मीट ऑन मंडे. डू टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ एवरीवन. लॉट्स ऑफ लव. बाय बाय एवरीवन.